In the first approach, curriculum is seen as content. The focus is on the subject matter, knowledge, and information to be learned.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Today we'll study about the parts of the cell. Please open your books.
Teacher, do we just memorize the parts?
Memorization helps, but what's important is knowing what each part does.
Like how the nucleus controls the activities of the cell?
Exactly, that's one of the key functions.
So curriculum as content is the knowledge we are expected to learn.
Correct. This approach focuses on the subject matter itself.
In the second approach, curriculum is a process. It emphasizes interaction and learning experiences.
Today, class, we have an activity. Here's a microscope and prepared slide. Please come forward and observe it.
Wow, I can see small green structures. This must be chloroplasts.
So plants use them for photosynthesis.
Very good. You learned that through observation, not just by reading. That's a process of learning.
So, curriculum as a process highlights how students learn through experiences and interaction.
The last approach is the curriculum as a product. It focuses on the outcomes the learners can actually demonstrate.
Now, class, show me what you've created from our past lesson about cell and photosynthesis.
Teacher, I made a diagram of a plant cell with labeled parts. And I wrote a short essay about how photosynthesis helps plants and humans. I made a model of leaf showing where photosynthesis takes place.
And I explained how energy from the sun is stored in plants as food.
That's curriculum as product, the end results of learning.